So floor we knocked out here in a day and a half. Self-level 1 day, day and a half tiling, another day to grout. Really cool pattern. Four tiles make up a grid. It's kind of neat pattern. It's a Home Depot special order. It's about 450 square feet, almost 500.